Hi guys, may share ako sa inyong product na nakita ko lang sa FYP and sinuggest sa akin ng one of my friend, content creator din siya guys. Ito nga pala yung Gia. Ito nga pala yung kanilang anti-aging night repair set. Ito yung accurate routine designed to repair visible sign of aging, support collagen, and restore your youthful radiance. Syempre, una natin gagamitin yung kanilang facial foam wash. Ito yung kanilang niacinamide facial foam wash. It's gently cleanse dirt, oil, and impurities while helping minimize pores and keep skin fresh and balanced. And guys, alam nyo ba, napakalambot sa face nito at hindi siya malagkit. Wala rin siyang redness na naiiwan sa face natin or sa face ko. This foam cleanser is meron siyang active ingredients na aloe vera and green tea extract and panthenol. It helps to brightening, minimize pores, and anti-aging na rin siya. In fairness, okay siya sa face guys at sana mahiyang ako. After using the foam cleanser, use this 16 type of hyaluronic acid complex serum guys. And guys, 2 to 3 drops lang ang paggamit nitong ating serum ha. And guys hindi siya malagkit and wala siyang redness. After applying that, I use this Skin Renew 0.01% retinol serum with niacinamide and panthenol. Take note nga pala, after using this retinol serum guys, use lang siya na 2 or 3 times a week lang if beginner ka sa paggamit ng retinol guys. This skincare trio help to deep cleansing, intense hydration, and skin renewal. Kaya kung naghanap kayo na for anti-aging, you should try this. Nasa yellow basket ko lang siya. Bye!